Good afternoon. Just want to give you the 4-bedroom statistics for the Browns Point area. 4-bedroom homes, there's 40 that are currently active, 13 are pending, 38 have sold within the past 6 months, and 42 have expired or been canceled in the past 6 months. So that brings us to a total of 133 that have seen the MLS, and average selling price for Browns Point is $338,506, and the average days on market is 122. So approximately 4 months on the market. It's pretty much across the board in most of the homes around the sound. Just so you know, I'm David Berg, Keller Williams Realty. I specialize in 4-bedroom homes on or around the Puget Sound area. So give me a call today, 253-234-4289.